The Real Madrid forward tweeted a picture of himself holding a Los Blancos shirt on which he had written "To my number one fan, Santiago." It was reported by media outlets in Spain that the Santiago Flores, who was killed while at a school that was destroyed by the earthquake, is the boy mentioned on the shirt. His family reportedly wrote to Ronaldo to tell him what a huge fan he was. Ronaldo wrote on his post, "In this moment of pain, I send a huge hug to Santiago's family and to all the families who have lost their loved ones." More than 200 people have died after the 7.1 magnitude earthquake hit Mexico City on Tuesday. Other sports stars and clubs have shown their solidarity by tweeting the hashtag Fuerza Mexico, strength to Mexico. Like Real Madrid, get more at www.madridistanews.com.